Hi there, and welcome to another parts description video brought to you by Cluster Repairs UK. Today, we're taking a look at the touchscreen used in the SEAT Alhambra MIB Composition Media and MIB2 STD2 Discover Media sat-nav units. These sat-nav units come in a single or dual memory card slot version and can come with or without a CD player slot. This spare part is known to fix several common touchscreen faults, like the touchscreen is erratic or very slow to respond, the touchscreen has failed completely, or is heavily marked or cracked. This is the exact same part we use in our own professional repairs, which are backed with a lifetime warranty. If your screen is delaminated or bubbled, expert installation is recommended. Or consider a full display screen replacement. If no bubbles, installation is very straightforward. Here's an example of a faulty touchscreen. Cluster Repairs UK, proudly serving the motor industry since 1986 with award-winning customer service and support. And now, after repair using a brand new original touchscreen, you can see the result, fully responsive and looking as good as new. This spare part is available for professional repairers and DIYers. With your purchase, you'll get 14 days of free access to our detailed step-by-step tutorial video filmed to trade standards to guide you through the repair and to a professional outcome with ease. Cluster Repairs UK only supplies genuine, authorised, factory-sourced parts. Each one comes from trusted European distributors, includes a 12-month warranty and passes strict quality control. If you need any help, just click the Ask Seller a Question button or send us an email. We hope this video helped. Thanks for watching and happy repairing!